Morning, I'm EJ.
Hi, I'm EJ. We're going to do experiments. First, we need to do baking soda and put it in there.
So what kind of an experiment? It's called
Lava.
lava. Okay, lava experiment.
Okay, let's put baking soda.
Louder.
Okay, then put baking soda.
Ba't damihan? Oh, more. Put more. Put more. The baking soda. Okay, more. Kasi ano siya, konti lang yung mataas yung masyadong maubos yung baking soda.
Dagdagan mo na lang ng Coke.
Okay. And make some more Coke.
Yeah. Okay, some more Coke.
O yung bote na lang ng
Need some more Coke.
sayang.
My name is DJ and we are going to use vinegar and baking soda together because we are going to make a big one.
A big
Big?
what?
A big volcano.
Big lava experiment.
Lava experiment.
Okay.
Now I'm going to
Put more.
The whole spoonful of it. The whole spoonful. Yeah.
1, 2,
Yeah.
3.
It worked.
More.
Mas magandang vinegar.
Cool.
Oh, see?
It's so
Which one works well? The vinegar or the cola? The vinegar. Yes.
Say thank you.
Thank
And
you.
that's all about it.
And make some more.
Wala na. Tapos na. Nalabas
No
na.
more, no
That's
more.
enough.
Okay.
Oxidized na yun.
Okay, thank you.
My name is EJ and we are going to make a lava experiment with Coke and baking soda.
Okay. So first off is you put the Coke in the
Coke in the
glass. And after what?
The baking.
Soda.
Okay, put a lot.
Hi, we are going to make a lava big volcano
Experiment.
experiment and just like lava, high big star.
What do you need?
This and this.
What's this?
Cola,
And
baking soda,
alright. So first off, you have to put the
baking soda,
the Coke first,
Coke,
the cola, and after
the
a spoonful of
vinegar,
What's this?
baking soda.
baking soda.
Alright, come on, start.
Yeah.
No, already there's Coke
Coke,
here.
put here.
There's a lot of them. Come on, ready?